Why, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Reader, with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got this, it says it's a rich Shio from Myojo. I don't know if we can try on this. This came out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. Right here above my finger, can you read that? Extremely ramen noodles. What does that mean? They're not just ramen, they're extremely ramen. Okay. I guess that's alright. We're going to use this extremely hot vessel with the correct amount of water. Put the noodle block in there. Put the loose bits from there in there. And then it's going to get 3 minutes. And yeah, that's how we do. I'm going to, come on. There. Hold it down a little bit. So yeah, pretty good walk today. It might have been record time for my big loop. I just like chugged. I did 11 miles in just under 2 hours. So like 110 minutes for 11 miles. So that's like 11 10-minute miles, I guess. But that's cool because I'm looking into doing this Space Needle thing. Like you go and you walk up the Space Needle, I guess at a good pace. But you have to be able to do a mile within 11 or like I think it was like 11 to 15 minutes. And if I can do 11 of them in a row, I guess that's good, right? I'm really not clued into all the I can do this and I can do that, blah 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 blah. You know, I don't know. I don't know if it's good or it's bad, but I do me, you know, I do my thing. Personal best. Why, hello Miriam, how are you? You want to watch Hello Kitty Doctor again? Okay, give me a minute. I'm almost done talking to these nice people, okay? Alright. There's like a Hello Kitty ambulance, I think it is. You open it up and there's like all this stuff. There's a lady who does reviews. This is like a grown woman doing reviews of kids' toys. And she does all the voices and stuff. Mimi freaking loves it. But to be honest, my wife and I think it's kind of creepy. Actually, she can't stand it. It drives her insane. But it's like, okay, she's a little girl. It's cutesy stuff. Okay. But yeah, I want to like do the Space Needle, and I want to do Columbia Center. I thought it was called Columbia Tower, but one is 837 steps and the other is 1100. I've done 24,000 steps already today, so I know they're going upstairs, but I can pull that off. I can. And I think it'd be rad because it's like for charity too. So I'd do it. Why not? By the way, that's where you come in. I have to get sponsors and pledges and all that crap. So if I end up doing this, I'm going to be hitting all you people up. You people with all your money. Watching me flounder and play with noodles all day? Who do you think you are? I'm not exactly floundering, but I'm not what you would call a rich man. I'd like to be. I'd be okay with that. I don't know. I'm rich in so far as having wonderful family. That's good enough for me. It's another buttery potato Shio. I don't know. Potatoes with noodles? It's like a weird too many carbs casserole kind of deal. I mean, I get it. I like the flavor profile, but it's just a little much, don't you think? Is that the whole point? Carbs on carbs. Oh, come on. Get in there. That's good enough. I said that's good enough. Egg. Got some egg. I made some really, really good chicken. That once this is all done, I will eat. It's if you've watched, I've got that my healthy choices video. I don't know if anybody actually watched that, even though people were begging for it. Up yours, people. But it's got all sorts of stuff that might not always be ramen related, but there's a company called Newtek that I used to work with, and they make called Newtek Food Science, and they make a product called Salt for Life, and it's sea salt mixed with potassium salt, basically. And it's freaking rad. And I just tried their, oh, what is it called? It's called Salt for Life Beyond Himalayan Mineral Salt. And I threw just a little bit of that on the chicken. Wow, it's really, really, really good. Very flavorful, I would say. So there's some of the chicken. Let's get this tail end off of here. Come on, let go. Alright, that's it. Really? Are we doing that today? We're being a pain in the butt? Oh, come on. There we go. Throw more of this stuff. I'm really kind of confused by this stuff. This Hachi Shichimi. This came in an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount if you want to get an umai crate. Crate. There's crates all over the place. We're moving. Yeah, that's it. And I'll put some right here. And what else we got? We got some oil. Let's oil it up. Get all oily. This is some chili oil. Because that makes me happy. Alright. And I think we're good. Man, I'm so glad the tripod issue is pretty much resolved. That's nice. Let's put on some different music. I want something cool. Okay, fine. All right, Rotino, let's go. Ah. All right, so the downside lately has been this. See this out here? This is dark, rainy Washington crap weather. And it's been like this lately. And so, as you can see, the whole apartment isn't like really well lit. I've got my stand all set up, but those artificial lights just don't cut it. They need to have more natural light. And usually what happens is back here, the sun comes in and then it bounces off the ceiling and gives a nice little bit of ambiance to it. Not these days. So you're going to notice a lot of the pictures that I do lately are going to look like crap. That's the fault of nature. So if you want to be mad at somebody, be mad at nature. Have a good one. Bye. Mad.